Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Buenas tardes, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, business entrepreneurs in Spain, particularly in Barcelona. Mr. Tony Hernandez, CEO Indonesia Consultant, as well as fellow speaker tonight. A very good evening to all of you. Allow me to express sincere gratitude for all of you for coming today to this business gathering, particularly on the occasion of Trade Expo Indonesia 2022. An economic opportunity for both Spain and Indonesia business entrepreneurs. Ladies and gentlemen, Trade Expo Indonesia, which will be held in Indonesia this October, is an annual fair that will exhibit all of the business opportunities, and it will be the first time offline exhibition fair after COVID-19 pandemic, an opportunity of both trade and investment. In terms of total trade, Indonesia and Spain managed an all-time high record of $3.034 billion last year. This is a huge increase from $1.977 billion in 2020 and $2.213 billion in 2019. Given the $2.934 billion achieved in 2018, we can conclude that our two nations recovered well last year. And working together, we shall run at all cylinders and recover even better. The Indonesian Ministry of Trade forecasts that our trade will improve by another 1.08% this year. In the investment sector, there is a thing that's been happening. Indonesia made a very bold decision, moving the national capital from Jakarta in Java to the island of Borneo. The new capital is located on a plot of land to be named Nusantara. In the Sanskrit language, this means the islands in between, which refer to those between Asia and Australia, as well as those between the Indian and the Pacific Oceans. Therefore, by choosing the name Nusantara, Indonesia aspires for the new capital to embody the spirit of the archipelago. So, what does it entail for the Spanish companies or entrepreneurs? In trade sector, a lot of product made in Indonesia should be an opportunity for all of traders to keep business rolling amid the war and economic crisis that hampers most part of the world today, starting from fabrics, textile products, furniture, arts, footwear, papers, beauty products, and many more. A new challenging frontier and boundless opportunities for investment. Spanish companies are among the world best in the infrastructure planning and construction sectors. From South America to the Asia Pacific, Spain's reputation in the sector is unmatched. In Indonesia itself, Spanish companies have been playing a key role in national development for decades. And exactly for that reason, I believe that Spanish companies will see these monumental possibilities and reap the benefit. Folks and friends, with that in mind, now with me, Mr. Bayu Hari Setiawan, stand up please. Who is our embassy's Minister Consular for Economy, as well as Mrs. Novita Sari, who is our trade attaché and team from Indonesia Trade Promotion Center here in Barcelona, the biggest person. Which will explain further into the trade and investment opportunities between Indonesia and Spain. Last but not least, I would like to invite you, distinguished business ladies and businessmen, to participate in Indonesia's biggest annual trade fair, the 2022 Trade Expo Indonesia. This 37th edition of TEI will be held physically on 19 till 23 October 2022 and virtually from 19 October to 19 December 2022. Organized by the Indonesian Ministry of Trade, TEI will allow you to explore business and cooperation opportunities in Indonesia. We are looking forward to having a great discussion with you. And once again, I thank you. Muchísimas gracias.
Estimado Su Excelentísimo Señor Embajador Indonesia en España, Dr. Muhammad Najib, estimado señor Tony Hernández, nuestro compañero, y muy buenas tardes, señores y señores, representante de empresarios español aquí en Barcelona. En primer lugar, intento presentar en español, porque yo soy indonesio. Por favor, que me permita explicar poco a poco sobre la potencia de inversión en Indonesia, pero en español. Bueno, empezamos con una situación de Indonesia. Se puede ver en nuestro dispositivo Indonesia at a glance. En primer lugar, quisiera informarle que geográficamente Indonesia es un país que se ubica entre dos continentes y dos océanos. Se ubica entre el continente Asia y el continente Australia, y también entre océanos Índicos y océanos Pacíficos.
Vengo un poco simplemente a explicaros 4 detalles de lo que sería la inversión en Indonesia, cómo se presenta hoy en día. Montamos un holding de inversión, tenemos varios negocios. Desde el 2003 me he dedicado al trade, me he dedicado a la inversión en infraestructuras, en energías renovables. Y ahora, bueno, pues resido en Bali permanentemente, en que cada 2 meses me he pasado 20 años yendo y viniendo, y ahora lo hago al revés, vivo ahí pero vengo para aquí. Entonces, un poquitín quería explicaros en un resumen las posibilidades y la capacidad que tiene Indonesia. No simplemente, por supuesto, todo lo que ha dicho el señor Bayu, que es espectacular, sino en otros temas posiblemente también tecnológicos, y 4 detalles a nivel de constitución de compañías que creo que son importantes. Bueno, los datos que ha comentado el señor Bayu, 270 millones de habitantes, 17.500 islas, son macrodatos que acostumbran a impresionar. 5.000 kilómetros de punta a punta, bastante grande. 50% de la población menos de 30 años, lo cual contamos con una población muy joven, con ganas de progresar y de invertir.
Permítanme presentarme. Soy Novita Sari, agregada comercial de la Embajada de la República de Indonesia en Madrid. Hoy me siento más honrada de hablar frente a ustedes sobre el comercio y las oportunidades que podemos ofertarles. Indonesia es un mercado con gran potencial, con una base consumidora de más de 270 millones de personas. Es el cuarto país más poblado del mundo, la mayor economía del sudeste asiático y la cuarta economía de Asia. Su buen desempeño económico durante las últimas décadas ha llevado al auge de la clase media Indonesia, 80 millones, que es joven, dinámica y con alto poder adquisitivo.
The events on the Trade Expo Indonesia on the upcoming October, 19 October, is not only the exhibition but also some meetings that we can approach you to Indonesian companies and vice versa. And I hope that all of you that in here today, tonight, is going to go to Indonesia, all of you, and then the ambassador will be happy to accompany all of you, and me too will be happy to accompany you to go there.